Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trek south on I-49 beginning in Barton County, Missouri at mile 85. Exit 83 leads to the unincorporated community and census-designated place of Irwin, just to the east of I-49. Irwin was platted in 1884 and was named for an early family of settlers. Irwin had a post office that operated from 1884 until 1981. We passed through the city of Lamar, the county seat of Barton County. Lamar was laid out in 1856. It was named for Mirabeau B. Lamar, second president of the Republic of Texas. Lamar had an estimated population of 4,294 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos.
On the beach.
Exit 70 leads to State Highway 126, which leads to the distant Golden City to the east and Pittsburgh to the west. Golden City had an estimated population of 723 as of 2018, down from a high of 900 in 1980. Pittsburgh is actually over the border and is the largest city in southeast Kansas with a population of 20,050. We entered Jasper County with an estimated population of 121,328 as of 2019. The county was organized in 1841 and named for William Jasper, a hero of the American Revolutionary War. Then we almost immediately cross into the small city of Jasper. Jasper had an estimated population of 965 as of 2018. Jasper has been known as Coon Creek Settlement and is midway for its position between the county seats of Carthage and Lamar, but in the late 19th century it was renamed Jasper to reuse the postal equipment of a previous Jasper that existed southeast of Carthage.
Music got the best in me ever since I was a child. Now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do? So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I feel there is no other way. It's what I can do, what I can do. Then I want to be with you, but you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy hurt you. Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right.
We conclude today's video at mile marker 60. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.